Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add staff account on Shopify. So, the first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account until you are going to see the admin dashboard of your store. And this is it. Now, once you have set up everything, you're going to head over the settings at the bottom of the website. So, here we are going to see the general settings of our store. So we are going to visit here from this left side menu, users and permissions. Click on here and we're going to see the menu from there. You're going to see the transfer ownership option. And we have the second choice, which is going to be the staff accounts. Here, I am not subscribed to a plan of Shopify. So in your case, you need a plan subscription for the Shopify store. So if you see this message to compare the plans, you're going to click on it. And from here, you're going to choose the plan that will suit you. So for the first 3 months, you're going to pay only $1 for the first 3 months. So here it is going to be the 1 plus $1, and it totals is going to be $3 for 3 months. After you have set up the plan, as you can read on the benefits of the plans, you're going to get here the staff accounts. So here for the basic one, you're going to get the staff account, I think 1 or 5 staff accounts. For the Shopify plan, you're going to get 5 additional staff accounts. And for the advanced one, you're going to get up to 15 additional ones. Here for the plus, we are not going to talk about it here. So once you have set up the plan, you are going to get the users right there, the possibility to add staff. So you're going to get this special page that will let you add the staff account. So you're going to begin with adding the first name, the last name of that person, and the email address to send the invitation. So for this one, we have the permissions. You can go ahead and give the permissions for the individual that you have sent the invitation to. Here we have some quick right there view about the permissions that we can get. I'm going to show you here some more details about the permissions. So we are going to get here the choice to give them all the permissions. We can give them the management of the orders, the homepage, the products, gift cards, the payment, the billing, and etc. You are free to give the staff members the permissions that you want. So from there, let's say here that we have set up the permissions. We're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to see the app permissions. So you can also give the permissions for the staff to use some apps. For example, here you can give them the permission to manage and install apps and channels, like the email or the Shopify email one, and also some special permission apps. So here also we have the point of sale or the POS option to give the access to it. Once you have set up all the permissions, you're going to click on the blue button, which is going to be send invite. This is the button. The person will receive an email and the link to be here a staff member of your team. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.